Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Little Caesars Pizza. This is called the Extra Most Bestest Thin Crust Pizza. This is $7.99 in case you're curious. I also got a new item from Little Caesars. People have been reviewing it for this week, so I want to try it. It says stuffed crazy bread. It comes warm, comes with some sauce. Also, I just got a little salad. It'll be a little healthier. And of course, we're having Coke, guys. Coke goes great with pizza, in my opinion. I wish I had vanilla Coke, but we'll stick with the classic. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So this is a collab, the June collab. So this week is pizza. Today I just uploaded my taco video. It was on the car. It wasn't really the best video. This is really short, and I don't know if you can really hear me very well because of the air conditioning, but I wanted to, I think this will make up for it. That's good. All right, so I'm super excited to try this. I think I did a review on this pizza before, but it wasn't the extra most bestest. When I researched it, it was like, I think it means extra pepperoni, extra cheese, but correct me if I'm wrong. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try the first slice, guys. That's good. Wow. The crust is very like buttery and crispy. That is so good. Wow. This is killer. Really good. Last time I had pizza, it was very expensive. It's like 30 bucks on the like a regular pizza. I think it was medium or small or something like that. I actually think this tastes better than my other pizza that I got for 30 bucks. So the pizza was $7.99. That was like $3.49. So 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe 12 or 13 with tax. But it's really good. Okay. Very crunchy. I love crunchy items. I don't know what it is. That's why when I go get tacos, I always get crunchy tacos because I just love the crunch of it. It's so good. Wow. I wouldn't add anything different to it. It's perfect the way it is. Wow. I love how it's thin crust too. Thin crust is like low carb, you know. Yeah, that's good. So they come in squares. I think that's how they do thin pizza at pizza restaurants, but what I know is that kind of like little squares. All right, now let's try some of this crazy bread. Put the cheese right here. Cheesy. Let's try it. They gave me this big. This sauce is huge. It's so big. It's really buttery, oily. It's really good. And the sauce is good too. I like it. I'm gonna have a little bit of a salad, a little bit of bacon, pizza, and garlic. little break from the pizza, but honestly, I don't really feel like salad. Everything else is so good, but I wanted a little bit healthy. And this ranch is great value, classic ranch. They have the buttermilk, but this one I like the most, and this is from Walmart. But yeah, I definitely recommend the pizza. Yeah, it's really good. So sometime last week, we are now able to eat outside at restaurants. And that's been pretty big because I know that's pretty big in the Bay Area, because in San Diego, where my mom lives, it's been happening for the last couple of weeks. But so I decided today is Monday. You know, it was a one day last day. I think it was a Wednesday or something. They said, hey, you guys, you know, if you want to eat at restaurants outside only, you can. I'm like, cool. So today I decided maybe I'll just go down as I'm working like my lunch break to see what restaurants are open. There's quite a bit. I would say probably a good 5. There's some are closed. Some don't do outside seating yet. But so yeah, I think I want to film a video outside soon for you guys. And I also talked to a friend who lives in San Francisco, and he says that some restaurants are open, not all, you know, for outside seating, so that's good. So today for lunch, I actually got a turkey panini, and I also got like a watermelon kombucha. It was really good. I almost filmed a video for you guys because I had a table outside, but I forgot my tripod, and I know it would have been a good video, but I wanted to do a video. I wasn't expecting that many restaurants to be open, to be honest. I honestly didn't think a lot of people would be already outside dining, and there actually are. I was like really surprised. Quite a bit. So that's pretty good. It's a prepackaged made from Walmart. It's like $2 something. Can't beat the price. But I'm really excited about this pizza. Like I said, I don't think you need anything extra, but we'll add some Parmesan cheese, and later I will add some ranch. But now the reason why I'm trying Little Caesars is because I saw some people try it on this channel a few weeks ago. They got the Supreme pizza. I thought this looks really good. It had like pepper, sausage, pepper, all the different stuff. So I'll go on the website to figure out how much this pizza costs. And I was like, I couldn't find it. And I was like, and it was under a deep dish pizza. I was like, I don't want a deep dish pizza. It's just like so much bread, you know. So. I want to solve this. Was perfect. The thin crust wasn't too expensive. It's actually really good, believe it or not. I know some people don't like Little Caesars. I'm not really big on it either, but for the price, it's really good, and it's thin crust. It's great. Saw the when he was putting like he said he had to doctor it up. I think he put like some garlic sauce on it, maybe some cheese. I'm not sure what else. If he put anything else, I don't know if he put ranch dressing. Try some of the sauce on here. That's good. The sauce here is pretty good. Not too much, not too little. I think they did a good job with the sauce. No, a lot of people like ranch dressing, so this is for my ranch lovers. We're gonna add some ranch to the pizza. Kind of getting full, but God, this pizza is so good. So, you know, it comes in squares. If it gets thin and you're like, oh my God, it comes in squares, well, that's how it happens. This is one killer pizza, guys. Mmm. I don't think this, I think a pizza is really good. I don't think it needs ranch dressing, in my opinion. But I know a lot of people like ranch dressing. This might be my last piece. I'm getting really full. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow. I actually think it tastes better with extra sauce. So much sauce in here, bro. Yeah. So yeah, the collab was really fun to do. I like to upload my videos on Monday. Just because, I don't know, I just want to do it like right on Monday. Kind of fun and exciting. Caden's been doing that too, uploading on Mondays. I don't know about everybody else. I think Lisa too. There's a few people that like, I know, notice that they upload on Monday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do sushi or not. It just depends. I just don't like seaweed. I don't like the texture, the smell, the taste. I just want to gag if I have seaweed. So I may go to like a Safeway or like a grocery store to see if they can make it without the seaweed. If they can't, or maybe just like a cafe or whoever sells sushi. If they can, I probably won't do it. I just don't think I can do it. Sorry, guys. Well, some foods I do not like and I can't eat. And that is sushi. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved everything on this. I loved everything. Everything was just radical. I can't wait to see what everybody else is going to do for pizza. Are they going to make pizza? Are they going to get it from their own little pizza shop? Are they going to get it from a popular place like Little Caesars? I wonder if they're going to, I wonder if, and I'm also wondering if anybody else is going to do Little Caesars. That'd be kind of fun and cool to check out. What if somebody gets the same pizza I do? That'd be fun. The exact order. I don't know if that'd be the exact order, but it'd be kind of fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.